great for the pits, so you don't get into the pits with your odor and smell. It doesn't. Hey, what's going on here? It's Lance McGowan, and today I'm going to go over my January doTERRA LRP unboxing. And the doTERRA LRP, or Loyalty Rewards Program, is like a frequent flyer program or a hotel rewards program, where basically the more you purchase and help your health or help your family's health, the more free stuff you get and more bonuses and reward points you get that you can redeem for the free oils. So I'm going to talk about that because this month I took advantage of a lot of free stuff. So I'm going to talk about that. I actually also have here on my phone my order, which you can't see, but I'm going to be referencing this because this shows how much free stuff I got, and actually all the stuff that I got for free. I'm going to just line it all up. I also have my capsule holder here for AM and PM, so I can start to put in my Lifelong Vitality Pack in it. Got some Wild Orange to clean my hands when I'm actually going to do that process. And I also have recycling here, so I can kind of get everything situated. And you notice there's a lot of prep just to unbox something, but it's, really want to make sure the process is positive and, we set ourselves up for success. So without further ado, let's get into the box. It's a little bit bigger this month as well, so boom. Cut it open. Goodness, okay. Okay, opened her up. Okay, so there it is. Take out all the bubble wrap. Yeah. Alright. Put that off to the side. Alright, so there's a lot of stuff here. So I'm going to put this right here so that we can see a little bit easier. And then let's open it up. Okay, so I'm going to have maybe a stuff I got for free because I redeemed points. I also renewed my membership, so this is going on. So I joined doTERRA in November of 2013, so that is a while ago, right? Over 5 years with doTERRA, so it's been a great journey, and let's talk about all of that. So I'm going to have to reference my order to see which ones I got for free. Alright, so let's see, did I get the lime for free? I did. The lime oil I got for free. I redeemed over 120 product credits that have been building up for the past 2 or 3 months. And then I also renewed my membership, so I got a free peppermint because of that, and it's $25 to renew my membership once a year. And then what else did I get? I got the free frankincense, which I'm going to talk about because I ordered 200 points or more. I got the myrrh for free. Oh yeah, frankincense and myrrh given to the Christ child during his birth. So yeah, that was awesome. Oh, and if you need to understand the benefits and uses of all these oils, I have tons of videos on all that. You can just YouTube search Lance and then myrrh oil or something like that, and something will pop up. So that's probably the easiest way to kind of get all that. Frankincense, like I said before, so frankincense and myrrh, I got that for free. Boom. And then Wild Orange, did I get that for free? Boom, yes I did. I got that for free. This is the free section right here that I got for free. Alright, I keep these too whenever I send samples out. Alright, what else? They get the fractionated coconut oil. Hold on, let's see. Let's keep opening up some stuff here. Lemon, get that for free, or did I pay for that? Yeah, lemon, got that for free. Boom. You may be like, dang, Lance, how much free stuff you get this month? Did you actually pay for anything? I did, don't worry. Grapefruit. Okay, so this was the product of the month, free product of the month. So I'm going to put this in front of the free because it was free, but it was a special. So I'll do that with the frankincense too. So frankincense was the 200 point special I got for free, so I spent 200 points and got that. And then because I spent 125 points as a part of my loyalty rewards program, I got the grapefruit for free. So boom. So let's keep going here. If I find a peppermint, then that will be the one that I got as a part of renewing my membership. Let's see, yeah, here it is. So peppermint. So I got that. So these are special free, front row. And then behind them is point product credits that I redeemed. So hopefully that's clear. Melaleuca, did I get that for free? I got that for free. We'll just put that right here. I got that for free. It's whoa, I got a lot of free stuff this month. It's crazy. I mean, this is like the oil lottery. up in here. Alright, so Copaiba, did I pay for this one? I think I did. Or no. No. Oh, yes, I did. Okay. Wait, hold on. Actually, the one I did pay for, we're going to go back here. The print is so small. I actually paid for Myrrh and I paid for Copaiba. Correction. Alright, did I get another lemon for free? Yes, I did. So I got 2 lemons. Boom. So let's just put it like this. Alright. Free because of product credits, what I purchased, and then free because of some type of special or membership renewal or free product of the month. Boom, yes! Organization up in here. Alright, so did I pay for... What else did I pay for? Or not pay for? Okay, so we're gonna go with the V-Shake here. I did purchase this, so this is for my green smoothies, so it's plant-based. Good source of protein and fiber. Green smoothie a day will help support your energy, digestion, and weight management. Great for the new year. Let's see here, what else? I got the... Okay, so the Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is the vegan one. So I get this every month. 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't have more energy, vitality, you can get a full refund, which is great. So you have the VE Omega, which supports your brain, your joints, and your muscle health, because it has 9 essential oils as well. And then the Alpha CRS Plus supports your energy on a cellular level by helping the mitochondria, which are like the little engines of your cells. No sugar or caffeine in that. And then the Microplex VMZ is the whole food multivitamin. So that's really important to fill in the gaps from what you don't get from your food. And again, like I have videos on all these products. So again, you can YouTube search on your phone or on your desktop or your tablet. Oh, recycle, right? You can just YouTube search any of the products' names that I mentioned and then just my name, and then you should be able to find it. Okay, so let's keep looking here. I'm using my chart. Okay, so the enzymes was a promotion that comes with the Lifelong Vitality Pack, so you get like roughly 40% off of these and some other supplements too. But the enzymes help break down your food. Break down your food, right? So whether that's proteins, fibers, fats, carbs, sugars, it's really important because any cooked food is going to need that so that your liver and other small intestines and other organs don't have to work as hard. 10 different enzymes in here, really, really important. So rule of thumb, you take 3 of these with a fully cooked meal, 2 if your meal is roughly 2/3 cooked, 1 if your meal is about 1/3 cooked, and you don't have to if your meal is fully raw, like with a green smoothie or a salad or something like that, but very, very important to take every day and supplement. And then the probiotics help with producing a good, healthy, friendly microbiome or gut bacteria, and really just supports your digestive health and your immune system too. There's so many benefits of, having that beneficial bacteria in your gut. All right, so let's continue with what we got here. Okay, the toothpaste. I purchased toothpaste. On Guard Toothpaste is amazing. It's the whitening toothpaste. Has a number of different essential oils in there too. So awesome. Okay, what else we got here? Okay, I'm gonna just... Did I pay for these or not? These are the fraction... No, okay, so 2 of them? Yeah, okay. So I'm looking at my order because there's so much stuff. Okay, so the fractionated coconut oil is different than organic and raw coconut oil because there's no smell. Basically, the medium chain triglycerides have been removed, so it's non-greasy, no smell, absorbs really easily. I use this on my face after I shower as kind of like a lotion that has 1 ingredient. And so I got both of these for free. So far, paid for on this side, free on this side, which is, a lot. I mean, it's probably over... It's well over $200 worth of free stuff. Like this is worth over $200 just right there, and it'll probably go up if I continue to see what we're doing here. Okay, so I got so then it's the foaming hand wash refill bottles. I got these for free because these are $1 for point. These are pretty cool. The oils are $1 for point when redeeming product credits, which is cool. But some products are too, and it's this. So I use this for the foaming hand wash. Got these for free. So we'll just put these behind here because that's where they go. And then what else? What else is in here? We got one more thing? Okay. And then we have the deodorant, which I did pay for. Okay. I'm like looking. Okay, so this is the balanced deodorant. So this is great. This has some really good ingredients. Arrowroot powder. It has basically coconut oil. It has castor oil. It's got some essential oils. Great for the pits, so you don't get into the pits with your odor and smell. It doesn't prevent sweating, but it helps with the odor, and that's important, right? So this is and it stays on and it lasts. So I really like this one. Has a really, it's the Balance essential oil, but yeah, you got aromatherapy up in there too, and yeah, it's so good. So good. Love that. And if you want a little extra, you can just put like a drop of like maybe lemon oil on top of it, and then as you, get that going, then you put it under your pits and you got like lemon balance or something. Or if you want an extra drop of balance on there, boom, balance drop, and then roll it under, balance drop, roll it under, boom, you got extra balance. Who doesn't need extra balance, right? Boom! Alright, so that's also what I purchased. And that's pretty much it. I do get an order summary and all that stuff.